Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest product reviews. Today, we've got something special in store for you: the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit. If you're in the market for the best mini tankless water heater maintenance solution, you're in the right place. Before we dive into the details, let's take a look at what's inside the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit. It's a 4-piece kit that's designed to help maintain and extend the lifespan of your tankless water heater. Assembling the kit is a breeze. The 6-foot hoses easily connect to your tankless heater valves. And the kit is compatible with most tankless water heater brands, including Rinnai, Bosch, Norrentz, Rheem, and more. Now, here's the best part: all you need to do is add 2 to 3 gallons of vinegar or your own descaling solution. And this kit will work its magic to clean your tankless water heater. It's a quick and efficient process that can clean most heaters in 30 minutes or less. Let me walk you through the steps of using the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit. First, disconnect the power to your water heater and shut off the main water supply valve to the tankless unit. Close the hot and cold water isolation valves and remove the service caps if your heater has them. Clean the cold water inlet screen of any sediment or dirt. Add 2 to 3 quarts of vinegar or your chosen descaling solution to the provided bucket. Connect one hose to the pump's discharge outlet and the other end to the cold isolation valve. Connect the second hose to the hot isolation valve and the other end to the bucket. Open both the hot and cold isolation valves. Turn on the pump and let the solution circulate for 20 minutes for a thorough cleaning. Make sure not to run the pump without enough liquid in the bucket to avoid damage. Once the cleaning is complete, turn off the pump, close the cold isolation valve, and remove the hoses. Dispose of the used cleaning solution responsibly. Then, flush your tankless water heater for 5 minutes or until you see clear water flowing. And that's it. With the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit, you can easily maintain your tankless water heater and keep it running efficiently for years to come. To sum it up, the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit is a must-have for anyone with a tankless water heater. It's user-friendly, efficient, and compatible with most brands. Plus, it comes from a small business brand, which is always a great way to support local businesses. So, if you want to ensure your tankless water heater's longevity and efficiency, don't hesitate to grab the Chromex Tankless Heater Descaler Kit. It's available on Amazon, and we've provided the link in the video description below. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. If you have any questions or want to share your experiences with this kit, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video. Stay tuned for more great product critiques right here on Product Critique.